we are going to be reviewing about Earth and all the changes that has happened through. Evidence indicates that what you see today hasn't always been the same. When we talk about the time major Earth changes take to happen, we're talking about millions of years. The Earth is about 4.6 billion years old. So a lot has happened in that time. Don't forget about it. Remember that geology is a science which is learning about how the Earth was formed. And we now know, thanks to geology, that Earth is filled with clues. Its rocks and landforms are like pages filled with clues about these Earth processes and changes that have occurred over time. In order to learn how to read Earth history, scientists have organized the history of Earth into the geologic time scale. In this period of time, plate tectonics has caused the continents to come together and move apart again, and then come together again and move apart again, not only once, but several times throughout geologic time. Mountains have grown up and worn down through plate tectonics and erosion. Oceans have risen and fallen. Earth climate has changed again and again, causing periods during which shallow seas have covered much of the land, or climate changes have also led to ice ages one and over, again and again throughout geologic time. So Earth has been here a lot longer than we have. Other living things have been much longer than we have. There have been mass extinctions of plants and animals long before humans were on the planet. Could you remember one animal that was extincted? Time and earth processes have given us many of the resources that we use today. Perhaps one of those animals that you just thought of, dinosaurs, have given us today are fossil fuels, which is helping and resources that we use today. Through the years of geologic time, many things happened on Earth, but we will never know about it. But using this evidence with little clues, geologists has found that people have been able to distinguish different parts of geologic time, and scientists has uh, grouped them into a geologic time scale, which is divided into eons, which is a very huge period of time. It's longer than an era. It means ages, okay? And it's in geology, it it's quite referring to 1 billion years. That's why we have 4.6 billion years. We have four eons. Okay, the Hadean, the Archean, the Proterozoic, and the Phanerozoic. In the Phanerozoic, we have the eras, the most Paleozoic, the Mesozoic, and the Cenozoic. Okay, these eras are divided into periods. Okay, and the most known of this period is the Jurassic from the Mesozoic area, because it is very well known for the movies that talked a little bit about its animals and plants, like Jurassic Park. But the Mesozoic was divided into three periods: the Triassic, the Jurassic, and the Cretaceous. And as well, the Cenozoic, that it's divided into two periods: Tertiary and Quaternary. Okay, so the first eons and eras, which they're not undivided, are also known, all of them, as the Pre-Cambrian. So it's an age that was before the Cambrian. And it's uh, more than 3,500 million years ago. And it's when the earliest life began. Okay, early animals started to happen and just go into the world. Okay, in the Paleozoic, we know that invertebrates became common. And then in the Permian, there was a mass extinction of everybody. And in the Mesozoic, it was known as the dinosaurs age. And at the end of the Cretaceous, we had the extinction of these dinosaurs. And then in the Cenozoic, it's called as the Mammals Era or the Mammals Age. And in the Quaternary, we can find the humans evolve. And there are also big mammals that has also been extincted. So we will keep studying further of all these eras and periods and digging into the history of the land. See you later, alligator.